Conditions of registration, Section 19 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the power conferred to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. Explain the Section 19 of the RP Act 1950. They will also be able to understand the provisions regarding qualifications for registration in an electoral roll. Article 324 of the Constitution is about superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in the Election Commission. Its clause 1 is about preparation of electoral roll and conduct of election. Article 325 says there will be one general roll for every territorial constituency. No person shall be ineligible for inclusion in the electoral roll on ground of religion, race, caste, sex, or any one of them. Article 326 says elections for Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha on the basis of adult suffrage. Elected to be citizen of India, not less than 18 years of age on qualifying date. Disqualification for registrations are non-residence, unsoundness of mind, disqualified on the basis of crime, corrupt practice, or illegal practice. Article 327 is about power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to election for the House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In the exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted the RP Act 1950. Section 19 comes under the Part 3, that is, electoral rolls for assembly constituencies. Section 19. Conditions of registration. Every person who is not less than 18 years of age on qualifying date and is ordinary resident in a constituency shall be entitled to be registered in the electoral roll for that constituency. Section 19 of RP Act 1950 give right to be registered as a voter to an Indian citizen above the age of 18 years, if not otherwise disqualified. So because of Article 324 and Article 327, RP Act 1950 was enacted. And by incorporating Article 325 and Article 326, Section 19 was written. Under Section 19 of the RP Act 1950, a person must be an ordinary resident of a constituency to be registered on its electoral roll. However, subsection 3 of Section 20 allows an exception. A person with service qualification is considered an ordinary resident of the constituency where they would have lived, if not for their service. Can an overseas citizen of India card holder register as an elector? As per Section 7B(2)(f) of the Citizenship Act 1955, overseas citizen of India card holders cannot be registered as voters under the Section 16 of the RP Act 1950. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this and click the bell icon to stay updated. In this educational video, we have learned about the conditions for registration, that is Section 19 of the RP Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos or rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.